Hello there. Well, I think we're live. Yes, we're live. At least I hope so. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Scotland. Or should I say, welcome to Clanlands. It's been an amazing day. I have had such a busy day. It's been really, really fantastic. We have, if you didn't know, now you do. Myself and Mr. Greg McTavish have written a book, and today is the first day of pre-sales. So thank you all for coming to Scotland. Before I continue, I really must see if I can find my companion in this whole journey. Here we go. Let's have a look. See if I can find him.
It's, the laurel to my Hardy, the chalk to my cheese, the
Yes.
ice in my whiskey. Ah, there he is.
I am here. A miracle. So
It
it's
is.
just I hate to always go on about how extraordinary it is if I ever manage to achieve anything technological, but believe me, I have you can't see them, but I have teams of people behind me now.
You have a whole
helping me.
production team behind you.
Yes, some just holding me upright.
You are just there.
Nice to see you.
Mate, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. Yes, the sun is shining here. And it's beautiful, but very exciting. I'm very excited that we're able to share this with everybody.
We are delighted. We obviously we had the pre-launch today, the pre-sales of Clanlands, which you can get. Obviously, we put a link out in the UK and Europe and Australia, but actually, people have been buying the books. You can actually go to Waterstones or Amazon, and obviously they ship it to America and elsewhere as well.
They do.
So,
I mean, we're in the process of getting an American publisher, but in the meantime, that is correct. You can go to those sites, and they will put them in little packages and send them to you.
I mean, the process of getting it to people is one part, but even writing it is has been a challenge.
Terrible cramp. I used a quill pen.
Yes.
I mean, Sam said, why not use a computer? And I said, why use a computer? And it seemed I felt more in touch with the 18th century while I was actually using just an inkwell and a tiny feather.
Yeah,
It just took longer. It took longer. Yeah.
I had to wait for your notes to come via carrier pigeon, which obviously was, it took more
Worth
time.
it, though. Worth it. Totally worth it.
It was. And dude, we've made it. I mean, we are finalizing the last draft, and it's been a lot of fun. And we've been on other sides of the world during this everything that's going on in the world, which it's been crazy, but it's been really rewarding for both of us. I mean, you've always wanted to write. I know. You have written for a long time, though, haven't you?
Yeah. No, I have. I mean, I wrote a play in the 80s that I toured with my friend Nick Pace. We wrote that together and toured it. And actually, I mean, it's a totally different subject, but doing this actually reminded me of that experience because that experience was very collaborative too. And it's actually, for me, I think it suits me better to have somebody there to be able to work with, and I think for me anyway, you just come up with better stuff between us, which is how I felt anyway.
It's been I never thought I would be in a situation to be writing something like this, and it's been so nice to actually go back. So the book's called Clanlands, and
Clanlands is the name.
Clanlands, we've got that. We know that much. Some of you may or may not know that we did a trip around Scotland together, and we documented it in this book. And it involves not only like the history, the characters we meet, but also a lot about our friendship, also about our history, as actors and also as Scotsmen.
Yes, I learned things about Sam that I was amazing.
Yes,
we won't talk about them. No, we won't give those away. But yeah, and as I said, I think yesterday when we announced it, I learned things about myself. I certainly learned things about myself on that trip. And yes, we did document it. I mainly documented it so that I could use it in evidence when I went to the police about Sam. But we haven't done that yet, so I'm just holding that in reserve.
It's been a great journey, and so we've written between us. We actually have an editor co-writer as well, who we must give a big shout out to.
Yes,
Charlie.
absolutely.
She has been a I don't know, a workhorse in this thing and driven
Oh,
us,
my
whipped
God.
us.
Well, not literally. No, that's going too far.
That's too far.
She didn't literally whip us. I mean, but metaphorically, there was a whip involved, and it worked.
It was, and each chapter follows this journey, follows the great characters we meet, but also we touch on a lot of the different clans. So each clan is slightly dedicated to different. Each chapter is dedicated to different clans and different parts of history of Scotland as well.